You ever hit a losing streak so bad, you start wondering if your keyboard's cursed? We have all been there. One red trade turns into 3, then 5, and before you know it, you're Googling how to become a copy trader. Here is the truth. Losing streaks do not just drain your account. They drain your brain chemistry. When you lose repeatedly, your reward system that is powered by dopamine shuts down. It feels like your internal Wi-Fi for motivation suddenly drops out. You do not just lose trades. You lose confidence, curiosity, and that spark that made you start trading in the first place. Neuroscience shows confidence isn't magic, it's memory. When you are on a losing streak, your brain cannot find proof you can win. That is why everything suddenly feels harder. Now, here's where CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, steps in like mental first aid. CBT reminds you that you are not your thoughts. Your brain will quickly feed you rubbish, like I am a bad trader. I will never recover. The market is out to get me. Those are not facts. They are feelings. The trick is to catch them before they spiral into self. Here is a quick CBT reset you can actually use when you're deep in a slump. Number 1, catch the thought. Notice the self-talk. I can't win. Don't argue. Just label it negativity bias. Number 2, challenge it. Ask yourself, what evidence do I have that this is 100% true? Usually, it is not logic. It is emotion. Number 3, change it. Replace it with something grounded, not cheesy. Say, I have had losses, but I am still learning. The market has not changed. Only my mindset did. That is how you rebuild confidence, one rational thought at a time. Let us talk brain science again. Each loss triggers your amygdala, which is the brain's fear center. It floods your system with cortisol. That is why, after a few hits, you start revenge trading, overtrading, or avoiding trades completely. You are no longer trading the market. You are trading your trauma, the genius. Your prefrontal cortex, which is your logical brain, can override this. How? Through reflection and controlled exposure. After a loss, write down 3 things. What was my plan? What did I do right? What can I improve? That is not journaling. That is neural rewiring. You are teaching your brain that losses are data, not danger. That is called cognitive reframing. The difference between traders who grow and traders who quit. Here's the reality check. Confidence does not come from never losing. It comes from surviving losses without losing yourself. The most dangerous traders are not the ones who never take losses. They're the ones who can lose 5 times and still sit down for the 6th calm and focused. That is not luck. That is emotional conditioning. So next time you hit a losing streak, do not chase confidence. Rebuild it like muscle, slowly, through consistency and logic over emotion. Start small. Take 1 clean trade with good execution, not perfect results. Each time you do, your brain registers proof that I can trust myself again. That is how the dopamine loop restarts through discipline, not dopamine hits. Because confidence is not believing you will win. It is trusting you will handle it when you do not win. Losses will test you. Drawdowns will humble you. But if you can stay grounded, patient, and self-aware, that is when you shift from trading for profit to trading for mastery. So breathe. You are not broken. Your brain is recalibrating. Let the market humble you, not haunt you. Every losing streak ends, and when it does, you will realize your confidence was not lost. It was just waiting for you to rebuild it properly.